I write 10 anime heroes by discipline. Not power, not talent, just who shows up when motivation dies. One of them is a fraud. It will start wars. Number 10. Bakugo Katsuki. Explosive? Absolutely. Disciplined? Only when he's mad. Watch him train when someone's watching. He's a machine. Watch him alone, the edge fades. Corners get cut. That's not discipline. That's performance. He needs rivalry to ignite consistency. True discipline survives boredom and anonymity. Bakugo still needs applause to believe he's working hard. Without it, he's just loud effort with no system underneath. That's why he's number 10. Number 9. Naruto Uzumaki. Yeah, he mastered Sage Mode, learned Rasengan, saved the world, but look closer. Every grind happens in a crisis. He trains like a demon when the clock's ticking and coasts when it isn't. Discipline isn't what you do to survive the storm. It's what you do on a Tuesday morning when the village is quiet. Motivation builds heroes. Routine builds legends. Naruto's routine is chaos. That's why he sits at number 9. Number 8. Rengoku Kyojuro. His discipline is pure duty. He trains to protect, to inspire, to honor his lineage. But here's the flaw. Rengoku's discipline only exists because the mission exists. If the demons vanished tomorrow, he'd still train out of honor, but not like this. That's purpose-powered discipline, not identity-level discipline. Guts trains because he must. Rengoku trains because he should. That difference keeps him at number 8. Number 7. Rock Lee. Zero talent, infinite drive. Lee's discipline is built on insecurity. I have to prove I belong. That wound became fuel. But insecurity-powered discipline is volatile. When the pain that built you starts to heal, your drive can fade. Lee's obsession is legendary, but it's emotional, not systematic. Without that hurt to chase, his routine loses fire. That's why he's number 7. Number 6. Rorona Zoro. Where Lee trains from wounds, Zoro trains from duty. He has a system for everything. Wake, lift, cut, recover, repeat. Discipline as a ritual, not emotion. But systems without adaptations become cages. Zoro's biggest strength, his routine, is also his blind spot. He'll repeat the same grind forever, even if a better path appears. That rigidity keeps him ahead of Lee long term, but off the podium. That's why he's number 6. And number 5, Mob. Most heroes discipline their bodies. Mob disciplines his emotions. Every day, he lives at 99% power. One bully, one bad day, and he could level a city. So, he meditates, he breathes, he counts to 10, not once, every single day. That's restraint-based discipline, the hardest kind. Anyone can do push-ups when motivated. Try controlling your temper when you're a god and someone hurts your friend. Mob turns explosive power into quiet presence. That's why he breaks into the top 5. Number 4. Light Yagami. Most people see ego. I see endurance. He plans, tracks, refines. Pure cognitive discipline. No distractions, no wasted motion. But discipline without a moral compass turns to delusion. Light mastered focus and lost purpose. He proves obsession and discipline share a border, and he crossed it. Number 3. Tanjiro Komodo. 2 years, no shortcuts, no applause, just the mountain and the pain. He trains the same way he breathes, calm, rhythmic, daily. Tanjiro doesn't chase validation, he chases mastery. Discipline as devotion, not ambition. He's number 3 because 2 legends above him have turned discipline into something even rarer, a lifetime code. Number 2. Son Goku. He's the face of training itself. He trains when there's danger. He trains when there isn't. He trains after death, through pain, through peace. Goku's flaw isn't consistency, it's perspective. He'll sacrifice anything for growth, even the people he trains to protect. But if discipline means showing up, suffering, and repeating it forever, Goku is top 2, no debate. So if Goku, the face of training itself, is only number 2, then number 1 isn't about training for power. It's about something darker. Number 1, Guts. Every hero trains for power. Guts trains to stay alive. His discipline isn't a schedule, it's a sentence. No mentors, no magic, no mercy, just pain. Tomorrow again. When everyone else trains for the next battle, Guts trains knowing the battle never ends. That's the purest form of discipline, when quitting isn't an option, it's just another scar. And the fraud, Ichigo Kurosaki. Not because he's weak, because his discipline is reactive. Ichigo only trains when crisis drags him there. Every new form comes from external power, bloodlines, mentors, or masks. That's not routine, that's rescue. Compare that to Tanjiro. Tanjiro trained for 2 years with no guarantee anything would work. No hidden bloodline, no secret mask, just a boy, a sword, and a rock that refused to break. Tanjiro earned progress rep by rep. Ichigo was handed salvation, one crisis at a time. That's the difference between daily discipline and event-driven growth. Strong, yes. Consistent, sacrificial, resilient over time, not like the others. So what does this ranking really show us? Discipline isn't about talent, bloodline, or destiny. It's about routine when no one's watching. If you're ready to build that kind of consistency, join the Starheart Guild on Discord. Weekly mental drills, accountability missions, and a crew that never quits. Until next time, crew, under the glow of stars, we forge our future together. Captain Gio Bravo, signing off. Peace.